Hey everyone, my name's Kyle Lubanecki, and I'm a product manager on Enterprise, specifically focused on Coursera for Campus with regards to career training and Career Academy. I'm really excited to be with you here today to share a demo of Career Academy and what problems it's solving for our learners as well as customers. So with students, there's a few pressing challenges that relate to their career training and job preparation experience. Specifically, students lack awareness in what in-demand opportunities are available. They lack an understanding of their career fit within these opportunities, but they also lack the confidence in actually developing the skills needed to land that first digital job. From an employer perspective, when learners are thinking about what specifically employers need, they don't know what specific skills employers require for their entry level jobs, and this is continuously changing. And they don't know how to stand out amongst thousands of other applicants within the recruiting process to land that first job. That's why we're launching Career Academy. For our Coursera for Campus customers, Career Academy prepares students for in-demand digital jobs. It helps students learn cutting-edge skills required by top employers with no previous experience required to get started. It allows students to explore entry-level digital jobs and career paths and allows them to build confidence in their job seeking and recruiting process by earning professional certificates from the world's leading companies, while also mastering the skills and tools needed to stand out to employers through our guided projects on Coursera. So let me show you a bit more about how we're doing this. In Coursera for Campus, we've launched Career Academy as you can see here. So if you're a Coursera for Campus institution, you can customize the appearance and branding of your institution's logo and program name across the header and navigation bar of the program interface. And this is really important for universities to really show that they are being mindful of their students' skills gap and that they're paving the way for their early careers success amongst their students. It's really just not another external vendor, but a true partnership with Coursera that the university is purchasing and partnering with us with. From the career discovery page, this page here, we help students evaluate entry-level opportunities across a range of industries endorsed by leading companies. For example, a data analyst, IT support specialist, or project manager, even UX designer. On May 4th, we're launching with 18 entry-level professional certificates mapped to 21 entry-level 18 entry-level roles mapped to 21 entry-level professional certificates. And we're really excited about what's to come after that in the future. So let's get into this. For example, there's a student interested in data careers after graduation, but they don't know where to start. Let me show you what it might be like for that learner. For each role, we've created a role description page, or what you might hear as RDP internally, for students to get a very clear perspective on what that career actually means and what it will take to build the skills and confidence to land that first job. Students are now motivated by seeing the demand for these roles through average salary and open jobs available. By the way, we're launching with US median labor market data, but we'll be thinking about how we leverage regional data where available over the near to midterm. They could also learn more about what a data analyst actually does on the job, what tools companies use, and what fields require data analysts. And here they can also build an understanding of what specific skills are required for data analysts and what the common job titles are, because as we know from company to company, this may be different, and students should really know that when they think about applying to jobs. Most importantly, they can get started immediately and build the skills required by enrolling in an entry-level professional certificate. Professional certificates are job role aligned training programs that teach all the skills needed for an entry-level role in an in-demand career. They're truly world-class. They're fully designed and created by world-leading companies like Google, Meta, IBM, and more. They're also truly entry-level. There's no previous experience or degree required, and at the end of the program, students earn a valuable credential that they can then use to show to prospective employers to indicate their job readiness. Working with our business customers seeking to grow their talent pipelines and fill their entry-level jobs, we know how important real-world experience is for qualifying job seekers. At the same time, students need this hands-on learning to build and practice their skills and gain confidence in their ability to actually do the job. So what we've done is added guided projects mapped to these roles as well. So here, students can hone in on the critical skills and tools required for the role through our guided projects that have been curated for these entry-level roles. And guided projects are, as you know, only available on Coursera. They're interactive projects that help students gain job-relevant skills in just under 2 hours. For example, Power BI is an interactive data visualization software developed by Microsoft and is used by data analysts globally and required by companies. Through guided projects, the learner sees a side-by-side instruction, the problem, the project, and the step-by-step instructions on the right, with guided instructions by the instructor, and the virtual experience of Power BI Desktop on the left. Guided projects are short and accessible. You don't have to worry about any software download or software licenses to get started. And since it's a virtual environment, this allows you to save costs and time in setting up digital environments for hands-on learning within your institution. With guided projects within Career Academy, you give your students access straight out of the box. At Coursera, we understand the difficulty in keeping up with the rapidly changing needs of the industry to define what exact skills and competencies companies are looking for when they hire students into entry-level roles. With the rate of technological change, the gap between universities and industry is quickly growing and changing and making it exponentially more cumbersome to solve over time. And that's really why we created Career Academy. Think of it as a career training solution that taps directly into the rapid evolving industry needs to help streamline and forage these industry partnerships that are needed to inform students of what skills are required in industry. The content in Career Academy is really the cherry top on top of a university degree program, giving students exactly what they need to be successful in landing that first job, informed by the deep connections that Coursera has with top industry partners. Just imagine how powerful it will be for your students at an institution to take the best of what you already do so well as a university and add this as an additional career training layer on top. Thanks, everyone.